Hey guys, before we start this video, I'd like to thank Troy over at Real and Virtual Outdoors. Troy sent me some jigs over to try. I'm gonna supply a link below so that you can go to his channel and see how to tie these jigs yourself. But Troy's not selling jigs; he's just trying to share and with you guys to how to tie these jigs yourself. So save you a little money on jigs. So just go over, check out his channel, check out how he ties his jigs, and I'm going to show you that when you actually get it done, you can catch fish with it. Hey guys, here are the jigs Troy made for me over at Real and Virtual Outdoors. Check out his YouTube channel and he'll show you how to tie these jigs yourself. No, he's not going to sell you any, he's going to show you how to tie them yourself. Let's see, can we catch some crappie on them? Watch how I work this jig. I'm going to swim it one direction, then I'm going to swim it right back where I started at. And what I think is that it gives a fish a second look at it, and then maybe the second time they see it, they'll take a strike at it. Get the net. But there you have it. Nice big fish. Real and Virtual Outdoors. Go by the channel and learn how to tie this jig yourself. So remember, when you're fishing this kind of brush, you want them to come up to your bait opposed to your bait going after them. So work the water level as high as possible to get them to come up, and then if you can get them to come up, then you have a better chance of getting them out, and you have a better chance of not getting hung up just working the bait in. So if you're not anchored, you got to keep your eyes on your line. Supposed to get up to 80 today. Maybe it'll dry. No. Real and Virtual Outdoors. Check out his YouTube channel, learn how to tie this jig. So I'm hung on this limb, and basically what I'm gonna do is just reel down to it, my jig, and then push it off the limb. And basically what happens is the hook is just hooking over the limb like that. the hook is not set into it, it's just hooked over. So you just reel down to it and push your hook away from it, from the stump, and then you're loose. This is really heavy brush, and what I don't want to do is go in it. I want to stay above it. Still fishing with the same jig. Make your own. I got one now. Mm-hmm.
That's definitely one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good sandwich.
Oh, yeah. Very good sandwich.
Guys, there's nothing wrong with live scope. What I'm saying is you don't have to have live scope to catch big fish. You just got to recognize the structure and fish. I mean, you don't even need a fish finder for this structure. I was gonna lose that fish. Oh my. That's a big fish. It's a 15-incher for sure. Every time you work to get that jig loose, make sure you check your hook to make sure you don't straighten it. Got too close. Uh-huh.
And that's why that algae's coming in like it is.
Oh, okay.
It started to get bad last year, and it's already 5 times worse than it was last year.
Really?
Pretty rough.
I used to catch big brim on that thing, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm
I'm
at
catching fishing for bass.
catch big brim.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. It seems like there might be a couple right here. Oh, I found them throwing back in the lake. Yeah, this is a small target. I changed baits because the fish get a little bigger as I go up the creek, and I need a bigger hook too. So I switched over to this, and I got off the tie jig.
Further, there's a stump that's just about as far out.
So much brush, I could not set the hook. Wow. See this tree right here? That's what I'm fishing. You can see how big it is. It's just going all the way out, and then poof, all those limbs that are on it. I can't go off inside of it. I have to swim the jig right across the top of it. And so the crappie are just coming up and grabbing it as I swim it over. And I let them swim with it in their mouth, and then I set the hook. Oh, fish. 10 and a quarter. Ten and a half. Throw it back. All right, guys, here they are. Limit. And there's some monsters in here, man. So 2 pounder there, 2 pound crappie there, probably about 1.5 pounds on that one, and that one, and then there's one right here. But hey, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and till the next time, you know, get bent.